Welcome back to Part 4. I'm Etienne. Shakespeare's influence on English is vast, so let's look at 7 more phrases we still use today. A laughingstock is someone who is widely mocked or ridiculed by others. Breathed his last is a poetic and gentle way to say that someone has died. A wild goose chase is a pointless or hopeless search for something that is hard to find. In your heart of hearts, you find your deepest, most sincere feelings or beliefs. To vanish into thin air is to disappear suddenly or in a mysterious way. Something that has seen better days is worn out or no longer in its best condition. If something makes your hair stand on end, it means it is extremely frightening. That concludes part 4. Join us for the next set of idioms soon. Don't forget to practice using these in your conversation